one park we're going to that has a clone of the Green Lantern at Magic Mountain. There's no way I'm getting
Oh yeah. The last
testicles
one.
are still in
California
from that one.
Yeah, I've been on one.
Intense pain.
Not good. It stops you upside down at the end. It's terrible.
It's brutal.
It's funny though.
That's an intimate too.
Yeah.
I actually like the mouse that spins like this. When they spin, that's kind of fun. When the cars unlock.
Yeah. Yeah, it is good. Whoa! Whoa! The transitions are really smooth.
There we go.
Whoa! Whoa!
This wasn't bad.
Whoa!
That wooden coaster we rode, that's the first one I ever remember we had a double down. 2 double downs on one coaster. That was pretty cool. And there used to be a brakeman ride that train in the old days. It had a man that stood and braked.
Yeah, not even too long ago.
I know. That was a pretty brave job.